Welcome students. As you know, we are discussing graph of a quadratic equation. In my previous videos, I have explained this topic thoroughly. Now I am taking few questions on this topic asked in IIT JEE. So let us start. So our first question is, for all x question for all x square plus 2ax plus 10 minus 3a is greater than 0. Okay, for all x this quadratic is always greater than 0, positive. Then the interval in which a lies. Okay, four options are given. First option is a less than minus 5. Second option is a is greater than minus 5 lesser than 2. Our third option is a is greater than 5, and our fourth option is a is greater than 2 lesser than 5. Okay, so this is our question. This quadratic is given always positive. So he is saying find the value of a. So let us start solution. So our quadratic is x square plus 2ax plus 10 minus 3a is greater than 0. Okay, how we write quadratic expression? How we write ax square plus bx plus c. We write a quadratic expression like this. Okay, you can see here coefficient of x square is 1. So a is 1. See, this a and a given in question both are different. This a and this a. So coefficient of x square is 1 in our question. So a equal to 1. So this is positive. A is positive. Okay. So what is the condition? We have studied thoroughly. What is the condition when a quadratic is positive? When a quadratic fx is always positive when a is positive and discriminant is negative. And discriminant is what? Discriminant is negative. Okay. So you can see a is equal to 1. So a is positive. So we have to apply discriminant should be negative because fx is given positive. It is given quadratic is positive. So there are two conditions. One is we know 1 is true, a is positive. So we will apply the second condition. Now we will find the discriminant of this quadratic. So discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. Compare. So 2a whole square minus 4. A is our 1 and c is our 10 minus 3a. Correct? B square 2a whole square minus 4. A is our 1 and c is minus 4ac. This should be what? Negative. Discriminant should be negative. Now we will solve this inequality. So this will be 4a square minus 4 10 minus 3a less than 0. Correct? Okay. So divide by 4 in whole inequality, in whole inequality divide by 4. Now, okay, now open the bracket. Now I will take next page. So a square minus 40 plus 12a. Open the bracket. So a square minus 10, a square minus 10 plus 3a. A square minus 10 plus 3a. So this is our a square minus 10 plus 3a is what? Less than 0. Okay. Now I will write a square plus 3a minus 10 less than 0. Okay. So factorize this quadratic, multiply 10 and difference 3. Okay. Tell me two numbers whose multiply is 10. The 5 and 2. 5 and 2. A square plus 5a minus 2a minus 10 less than. Now a is common. So a plus 5. A is common, a plus 5 minus 2 is common, a plus 5, okay, less than 0. Now a plus 5, this whole bracket will be common, a minus 2 less than 0, okay. Put this bracket equal to 0, so a you will get a equal to minus 5. Put this bracket equal to 0, you will get a equal to 2, okay. Now solve on number line. Now solve on number line. So this is minus 5 and this is our 2. We come from infinity to 2, then 2 to minus 5, then minus 5 to, we go to minus infinity. Okay. This is called wavy curve. Okay. We start from positive sign in right hand side and take alternate positive, negative, positive. Okay. What does positive sign represent? Positive sign represent in this area for x greater than 2 in this area our fx our expression is what? Positive. And also in this area our this expression is what? Positive. And if for this area minus 5 to 2 our this expression is what? Negative. Okay. So what we want? We want less than 0, okay? We want less than 0. We want less than 0, okay? Means we want negative. We want, where is negative? Negative is here. Minus 5 to 2. It means a will be greater than minus 5, lesser than 2. So this is our answer. Okay? Now you can check what was the option. Which option is correct? So you can see option number B is correct. Okay. Just a second. Okay. So you can check option B is correct. So this was question asked in IIT. Now I hope you will be clear. Now I am taking one more question. So one more question is, what is the minimum value of 2x square plus x minus 1? What is the minimum value of 2x square plus x minus 1? What is the minimum value of 2x square plus x minus, correct? Okay. You can see, compare with quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c. So value of a is what? Value of a is 2, correct? Means positive. Value of a is positive. And you know, if value of a is positive, so graph opening will be what? Upward. Opening will be upward. Okay. Case may be like this, case may be like this. So opening will be upward. So this point is vertex minus dp upon 2a minus d upon 2a. and also this is vertex minus b upon 2 minus d upon 4a, correct? So whether this case or this case, in both case you can see minimum value is minus d upon 4a. Minimum value of y is what? Minus d upon 4a, as we have discussed in previous video. You can learn from there. So minimum value will be minus d upon 4a. And d is what? D is our discriminant. So d is our discriminant. B square minus 4ac upon 4a. So put the value of b. You can see value of b is what? Value of b is 1. Value of b is 1. So 1 square minus 4. A is what? A is our 2. A is our 2. And c is what? You can see c is our minus 1. C is our minus 1. Correct? B square minus 4 AC upon 4a. 4a. A is what? A is 2. A is 2. Okay. Now calculate this. 1 square is 1. Minus minus plus 4 2 is 8. Correct? Minus minus 8 plus 1 9. 9 upon minus 9 upon 8. Minus 9 upon 8 is our answer. So minimum value of this quadratic expression will be minus 9 upon 8. I hope these both questions will be clear to you. So these types of questions are asked in IIT JEE. Also the concept of graph of quadratic expression is used in between many questions. Okay? It's used in between while you are solving any question. So concept of graph of quadratic expression is used very much. So I hope you will be clear with graph of quadratic equation. Okay, so keep watching, keep learning. All the best.